So this is the opening video for the 3D fabric paint. It looks like it comes with 24 colors. So we're gonna open it and check it out. Okay, so it comes with this, probably to put the paint there. Oh, it comes with some stencils too, which is great. Let me open that up and show you. It looks like these are one-time use, because they're stickers. So there is 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, and 4 of stencils. And then these are all the colors. I'll show the colors in a minute. But these are the brushes. There is 2 that are, what is that called?
Pointed and
flat. And then here are the paint. Glitter white. My daughter would love that one. They're about, it says 1 ounce or 30 mLs. So there's some really neon bright colors. Look at that. And then I'll do another video kind of demonstrating how to use it.